So good afternoon all. Today our experiment is to cut the various angles of a tool using this tool cutting machine. So before going to the experiment, we must have a very good idea about various angles of a tool. So this is a tool and it cut like this. So when it cut like this, the chip of the workpiece slides along this surface. So this surface is called the rake surface. So this rake surface is tilted towards the back. When you see from the side view, it is tilted towards the back. You can see it is tilted towards back. So this angle is called back rake angle. And when we see from the front, towards this direction, it is tilted towards this direction. So this angle is called the side rake angle. So this is back rake angle and this is side rake angle. Now, there are mainly two cutting sides, two cutting edges. This one is end cutting edge, and this one is side cutting edge. So the angle by which this horizontal makes with this end cutting edge is called the end cutting edge angle, and the angle made by this side cutting edge with the vertical is called the side cutting edge angle. Now you can see there is a side. This side is tilted towards the back. There is a relief angle here, you can see here. So this is called the end relief angle, and if you see this side, it is tilted towards this direction. So this angle is called the side relief angle. And there is one more parameter, this radius at the junction of end cutting edge and side cutting edge. This is called the nose radius. So these are the 7 parameters of a tool. So this is our machine. So this is our tool cutter machine, and in this, this is the grinding wheel, which is made of the abrasive material, and this is the universal jaw, and it has movement in all the direction. As we can tilt it like this using this one. We can tilt it here, and we can move it, rotate it here also. So it has movement in all the X, Y, and Z direction. And we can place our tool here. We can place it here, and we can place our tool here, and we can fix it here, and this is the grinding wheel, and this universal vise is attached to a bed, and we can move this like this, longitudinal motion like this. We can give the feed like this, close feed like by using this. And there is one more movement, which is up and down direction. It is by using this. So for that, first we have to fix it here like this. Then we are going to cut end cutting edge angle and end relief angle simultaneously. So for that, we have to fix this like this. Now there is one arrow here. It is to about 90 degree. So we can tilt it like. Let's see. This is our end cutting edge angle, and this is our end relief angle. So we can cut this two at a time. For that, what we have to do is, it is now like this. We have to tilt this jaw by like this. Now this is the end cutting edge angle. So we have to tilt like this so that it is horizontal. So we have to tilt this by some 30 degrees. So this our end cutting edge angle is 30 degrees. So we have to tilt this by 30 degree. For that, what we have to do is, now it is at 90, so we have to tilt by 30 degree. So we have to lose this, and we have to make it to. So for end cutting edge angle, we have to tilt this by some 30 degree. Now it is like this, we have to tilt like this, so that it is horizontal. So we have to tilt by this angle, which is 30 degree. So it is now. It was first it was at 90. Now we have to make it to 60, and we have to tight it. Now we can cut this end relief angle. So for that, now it is like this. Now we have to tilt like this. That is, this is the end relief angle. So for that, we have placed like this. Now we have to move like this. Move this angle by rotate this in this direction by end relief angle. So for that, we have to lose this screw. Now we have set all the angles here, end relief angle and end cutting edge angle. So we can switch on. Now it is not cutting. Make it a touch. Okay. Continue the process till the required dimension is obtained, and after that, the other two angles, the side cutting edge angle and the side relief angle, can also be obtained by rotating this in the other, placing this in the other direction, and doing the same process. So after completing the process, the finished work is like this. This is our end cutting edge angle and end relief angle, like this. And this is our side cutting edge angle and side relief angle. This is our surface. So that's all about the process. Now we can measure the angles using toolmaker's microscope. Thank you.
Here we are measuring the angle. Here measuring tool angle. Here you can't see it digitally. You can see with only naked eye. After getting the output, we can see the tool angle results.